Learn Excel from Mr. Excel podcast episode 2273. Add a tooltip to any cell. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill John. Well, all throughout Excel, we have all these awesome little tooltips here that tell you what the feature does, and maybe even gives you some nice little descriptions about it. And this all is cool. But if you're building a spreadsheet for someone else to fill out, wouldn't it be awesome if you could have tooltips in a cell? And this is there. It's just not anywhere in the ribbon that says add a tooltip to the cell. It's hidden away where you would never be able to find it, right? So how do we set up these things? We want to come out here to the Data tab, and I use the shortcut key of Alt-D for data, L for validation. Validation, third letter of validation is an L. It's somewhere out here. I always have to hover and hover because I can never try and find it. It must be this one right here. Yeah, data validation. So Alt DL, and this is where we can usually set up a drop-down list, allow a list, but I'm not going to do anything here on settings. They can enter anything they want, but on the input message, so this is the title, and this is the message. All right, so we're using data validation, the second tab, the input message, and then anytime that I select that cell, I get the title and the message, and of course if it's really long, it appears larger. And just a cool way to help people who are going to be using the spreadsheet that you're building.